why the world actually works for you and not against, and how you can use every situation to your advantage. Let's begin. The world looks for your light, and each time you hide it, the world will squeeze it out of you. How? By being harsh to you. Let me explain. Let's say you walked up to a girl and you were nervous and not behaving the way you really want to. How would she react? She would be upset and repelled by the way you behave. Not because she is a woman and she doesn't like guys who are not confident. It's just that she knows you aren't showing your light, or simply not being who you are, or not letting your spark show. The world reacts to you in a similar way. It will crush you to a point where you start to question everything, and then start to discover that what you are is effortless and the world just exists to assist you in your journey. This is the main point of the video, and this is not just a way of looking at life, but the truth, because the world would not have crushed you if you were happy with yourself. So this means that everything, including life, works only for you. As a man, you're supposed to have an answer or solution to everything, and also, you should be able to make a decision. These qualities are not to look better as a man, but it help you function better. Imagine a scene where you could just handle everything and not have to depend on somebody else. You're self-sufficient, and it is empowering. Don't blame the world for being harsh, but instead, adapt. So far, I think that's the best technique to live life. The person that chooses to stay the same due to his personal reasons will always suffer in some way or another in at least one area of his life. You see the world and every source of your pain to adapt and evolve yourself into something you're proud of, not because you don't like the pain, but just because you're better off living with joy. Adapting is normal, and it takes place on a day-to-day basis unconsciously. The problem is, we usually tend to blame the outer things, saying things like, "The world is so bad and it is pointless to become a better human being." But trust me, guys, once the change has occurred, even your everyday life activities will feel more alive and you will love each moment. I know it's tough to not focus on the things you don't want, but that is a sign that it does need some attention and a change on your part. So evolve and be free. It is less about manliness and more about life. You've got a pair and a spine. You're a man.